Hey guys, PokeTeamWitchy here. In today's video, it's going to be another Japanese booster box, but today it's going to be Full Metal Wall. Going to pause the video in a minute. I'm going to cut the tops off after I learned from the last one. But I realised in the last video I didn't actually show you the box properly, because right in the edges of the Japanese booster boxes, you have cool little bits of cards, the artworks. So in this one again, we have 30 packs, each with 5 cards in. So give me 2 seconds, I'll cut the tops off and then we'll start opening them up. Okay, so I've cut the tops off all the packs, bar this one, because I want to try and keep one pack intact. The pack art for this one is the Lucario and Melmetal, which is the same as we had in Unbroken Bonds. So we have a Spearow, a Lairon, yeah, I was right, Hitmontop, and then the first pack is a Holo Melmetal, which is a nice start, and then a Tangrowth. So same as before, you're not always guaranteed a rare, and it is 5 cards again. So Riolu, Aeron, Tangela. Oh, that's cool. I'm happy with that. We've got, can't remember what they deem it as, but obviously for us it would be Hyper Rare or a Rainbow Rare, Lucario and Melmetal. Yeah. No. Is that right? Yeah. Mental block. So, sleeves. That's a really nice card. Cool. So, put that down. And let's keep going. So same as when I did the box for Ultra Genesis, I have got some code cards to the side, so I will grab those throughout the video. And Hypno. So let's have a look then. Meltang, Ekans, Sandshrew, oops, Genesect, and then the Malane. So, the other trainer that I didn't say then was Green Search. I forgot. So, Drowsy, Graveler, and then a Holo Kartana, and then a Metal Core Barrier. So, let's keep going. Geodude, Slowpoke, Diglett, Abandoned Power Plant, and then a Aggron to finish. Tell you what, let's do a couple of code cards, because you don't get them in the Japanese set. So you've got Unified Minds one there, and it's quite fitting, and Unbroken Bonds. Let me know if you get anything good from those. Okay, I do like the back of the cards as well, compared to the UK ones, or English ones. Pikamuku, Tangela, Aeron, and then a Holo Golem, and then a Butterfree. Next pack, Tri-Pack Trick, Zubat, Metapod, Fearow, Beastbringer, and then an Alolan Dugtrio. So, Squirtle, Hitmontop, Lairon, Malane again. I like this box. So now we've got the Lucario and Melmetal GX, the normal one. So, pretty good box so far. What's that? 2, 4, 6, 7 packs in. And GX and a rainbow one, so pretty good. Spearow, Golbat, Meltang, Tangrowth Woods, and then I can't remember, what is it? Ultra Forest. Trying to remember now. I have done a bit more research beforehand. I've also got the set list next to me. The good thing about this one is, I think altogether there's only 70 cards, I think, or maybe 69. So we've got Drowsy, Riolu, Wartortle, Sandslash, and then a Holo Crobat. So we've got a Zubat, Sandslash, Sandshrew even, Caterpie, Grugly, and then a Green Search again. So Ekans, Pyukumuku, Aaron, Genesect. Oh, I like that one. Holo Slowpoke. No, it's not. It's not at all, is it, Tom? Slowbro. As I said in the last one, I do like the holos because obviously you have the holo going around the edge as well. So we've pulled quite a few holos already. So we've got Graveler, Diglett, Arbok, and then which was that? That's a de-evolution spray. So we've got Hitmontop. So there's the Slowpoke, Metapod, Molayne again, and then another Slowbro. Okay, Graveler, Metapod, Hypno, and then a Holo Mammoth. So doubling up on the holos. Don't know whether we're going to get much more because obviously we've got the GX and the Rainbow. I think maybe one other card. Squirtle, Spearow, Golbat, Abandoned Power Plant, and then a Tangrowth. And then we are on to our second stack. So let's do a few code cards. Another Unbroken Bonds. A Celestial Storm, so a little bit of an older one, and then another Unbroken Bonds. So Riolu, Pyukumuku, Golbat, Hypno, and then another Dugtrio again. So as you can probably see, and same as the last video, I've got my social media here, so if you don't follow me on them, go over and follow. So I've got Twitter and then my Instagram, so I should see you over there. I've got Graveler, Tangler even, Magical Barrier, and then a Blastoise GX. This has been a really good box. There's cool artwork on there. Grab a sleeve. Need more sleeves. Okay, next pack. One to the back. We've got Geodude, Caterpie, Butterfree, and then Beastbringer. Yeah, cutting the tops on these is definitely a lot easier than trying to fight through. Slowpoke, Diglett, Ekans, Genesect, and then I have not seen that one on the set list. Give me 2 seconds. Yeah, so on that one they're just saying Acerola, which is cool. Wasn't sure if it was going to be anything different, which is pretty cool. Holo Trainer. So we've got a Wartortle, even, Spearow, Drowsy, Power Plant, and a Sandslash. Do a couple more and then I'll get some more code cards for you guys. So we've got Zubat, Sandshrew, Lairon, De-Evolution Spray, and then a Holo Lucario. I'll have to look again. Another one of these boxes are cool. Matang, Squirtle, Metapod, Tangrowth, and then an Ultra Forest. Fearow, Golbat, Hitmontop, Arbok, and then a Holo Stakataka, which is cool. Loads of eyes watching you. Okay, so Celestial Storm, Unified Minds, and then another Celestial Storm. So we are down to our final 5 packs. So let's see if we can get anything else in these last 5. So none in that one. Riolu, De-Evolution Spray. There we go. Celesteela GX, which is really cool. So the last 3. So hopefully you guys have had a really good day, and you're enjoying. Well, for me it's late at night now, but hopefully your day's been good. So the last 2. And then got a couple more code cards for you, and then it'll be the end. So Diglett, Squirtle, Arbok, and then a Holo Crobat. And then our last pack of Full Metal Wall is a Zubat, Fearow, Caterpie, Queen Search, and then fireworks going off, and Aggron to finish. So, like I said, last 2 code cards, one for Cosmic Eclipse, and then one for Team Up. Where did that one come from? Tell you what, just in case. There's one for Team Up Blister for the Mimikyu. Another Team Up one. And then let's go for a really old one, an Ancient Origins. So, just because I'm not sure where that Cosmic Eclipse has come from, unless I'm thinking it might come from one of the other videos. So guys, hope you've enjoyed this video. Let's have a quick recap, and then I will sleeve up all my holos. So we've got Crobat, Stakataka, Lucario, Acerola, Melmetal, Slowpoke, another Crobat, Golem, Kartana, and another Melmetal. And then, excuse me, we got the Celesteela, Blastoise, Lucario and Melmetal, and then the Lucario and Melmetal Rainbow Hyper Rare, which is cool, like the checkerboard effect in the background. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment down below on your favourite cards that you pulled, and if you're not a member or subscriber already, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, bye.